If you're a manga fan and a MegaMan fan, you definitely want to check out MegaMan NT Warrior. This is volume 1 of the manga. Really, really nice. I'm a huge MegaMan fan, love MegaMan, so I have to pick it up. I've watched the anime, I've played the game as well. So this series follows pretty much, if you played the first game, it's pretty much the same concept. Long story short, not to go into the whole thing, it's in the future, and then everything is connected by the internet, basically, like everything, like appliances, street lights, schools, computers, everything's going to be the internet, everything. And then you can plug in, which is like they always say plug in, and they plug in, and then this is kind of like a program. The Mega Man's like a program essentially, and then Lan Hikari can use Mega Man and like plug him in to something. So like, and then if there's a virus or it's a enemy that they have to deal with, he plugs Mega Man in. Mega Man goes into the cyber world, and then he fights the viruses and the enemies. And then they have Dr. Wily and all of that. So it's really really good. They have all the old school Mega Man characters, bosses, and then they show up and they have different artwork. And it's a completely new story. Even if you've played all the Mega Mans and you're a huge Mega Man fan, this is completely different. You'll find some tie-ins to older plots and to the first games, um, and I don't want to spoil anything, but it even goes more into the later games. But it's really really good. It has a lot of characters, very likable characters. Lands are really really. I really like him as an MC. Really really good. So yeah, so definitely check it out. I think you'll enjoy it especially if you're a Mega Man fan, and even if you're not, if you like anything that's like techie and humor, it's very funny. They have a lot of funny scenes and has some action, so it has a little bit of mix of everything. So hope you enjoy it and check it out.